your iPhone, and everything. So what a great investment to have, to look super stylish and to have all your stuff with you all evening. Okay, so here's a black and white tux I have for sale. So cool. It's from the 70s, and check out these lapels and the velvet and the detail, and it's just awesome. Black and white. Love black and white vintage. Here I've had to put it on my female mannequin because I don't have a male form, but you can see what the tux is like, and it's just so cool. C'est la vie, baby. Very chic, very pimpin', very Mad Men, very